This is a video of an AI robot called ASTRIBOT S1, which can do human-related tasks from cleaning your clothes to pouring you wine or even writing complex languages for you. Which begs the question, can AI robots actually replace humans in the workforce and beyond? Artificial intelligence has made remarkable advancement in recent years, leading to concerns about potential for AI to take over tasks traditionally performed by humans. With advancement in technology happening every day, it's natural to wonder about the capabilities of artificial intelligence and how it might impact our future. AI robots are already used in industries like manufacturing, customer service, and even healthcare, performing tasks with precision and efficiency. But can they truly replace the unique skills and creativity that human brings to the table? While AI robots excels at repetitive tasks and data processing, they still lack the emotional intelligence and critical thinking abilities that humans possess. Human touch, empathy, and intuitions are qualities that are hard to replicate in machines, while certain roles are irreplaceable by AI. So, while AI robots can certainly complement human works and enhance productivity, the essence of human connection and creativity remains unmatched. What are your thoughts on this topic? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Thank you for watching.